Welcome to Man 3000 tutorial videos. In this video we will be having a look at codebooks and how to assign new codebooks. Open up your Man 3000. Once that's done, enter the technical password and then click on Edit. Edit exchange line telephone numbers. And over here you will see a list of codebooks and the trunk lines that they are assigned to. If you double click on the codebook name, you'll be able to have a look at the default codebooks. You can select one of these if that is the codebook that you are looking for. If not, you will need to import your codebook. To do this, close the exchange line telephone numbers window, click on Settings, click on Codebook Importer at the bottom. You will get a pop-up telling you that you need to import the required codebook and restart this program. Click on OK, and this will open up a new program. You can then click on Select Codebook and expand the codebook import folder by double clicking on it, and you can scroll through the codebooks and you'll notice that some codebooks have more than one folder. Select the codebook that you want, click on OK, and you will then be able to assign it to a codebook position. If your client's only using one codebook, select codebook number 1. From there you can click on Import the selected codebook and you'll have a pop-up telling you that the codebook was imported. Click on OK, close the codebook importer, and you'll have a pop-up Man 3000 asking you if you want to close Man 3000. Reopen the Man 3000, enter the technical password, click on Edit, edit exchange line telephone numbers, and you will now be able to assign the codebook which we imported earlier. Once you're happy with that, click on Save and you can close. You will need to run a recast and repair on the database in order to effect the changes of the costings. To do that, click on Tools, Recast Repair Telephone Records, select the date range, click on Start. You will notice that certain costs will have changed. If your codebook is not in the list, please send them to us and we will implement them for you.